Are you a student looking to earn some extra cash? In today's video, we're going to explore 10 ways for students to make money. Let's dive right in. Have you ever thought about freelancing on websites like Fiverr or Guru.com? These platforms offer a wide range of job opportunities, from graphic design to writing. It's a great way to showcase your skills and make some money on the side. Another option is to consider tutoring. Whether it's academic subjects or musical instruments, there are always students looking for extra help. You can even create your own online courses on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. If you're into social media, why not become a social media influencer? Brands are always looking for students with a strong online presence to promote their products. Just make sure to only endorse products you truly believe in. You could also explore the world of affiliate marketing. By promoting products and earning a commission for each sale, you can build a passive income stream that could potentially grow into a full-time career. Don't forget about online surveys and market research. Companies are willing to pay for your opinions on products and services. While it may not be a huge source of income, every little bit helps. Have you considered starting a blog or YouTube channel? By creating engaging content and building a loyal audience, you can monetize your platform through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. If you have a knack for photography, stock photo websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to sell your photos to businesses and individuals around the world. It's a great way to turn your hobby into a profitable venture. For those with a passion for writing, freelance writing for blogs, magazines, and websites can be incredibly lucrative. Just make sure to build a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills to potential clients. And last but not least, consider exploring the world of e-commerce by creating and selling your own products online. Whether it's handmade crafts or print-on-demand merchandise, there are endless opportunities to turn your creativity into cash. Whatever path you choose, remember that earning money as a student is not only about the financial benefits. It's also about gaining valuable experience, building your skills, and potentially kickstarting your future career. So go out there and start making money today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to succeed as a student entrepreneur. Thanks for watching.